Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, you are welcome. So in this video we'll be learning how to cut these beautiful coat jackets. So let's get to it. So I'll be cutting the front part first. So first of all is to get my button allowance, which is 2 inches. I'll connect all those points together. So once I'm done getting my button allowance, next is to get my neck allowance, which is 3 by 3 inches, and I'll connect it like so. So next is to get my shoulder measurement divided by 2. Then I'll come down by 1 inch just for my shoulder slope, and I'll connect it to the neckline. So get my armhole. I'll be dividing my armhole by 2. That will be my chest line. Then I'll connect this point together. So I'll get the middle point of my armhole, which is 4. Then I'll be coming in by half an inch from that point. So the next thing is to get my bust, my waist, and my full length. And I'll draw a straight line across. So I'm done with that. Next thing is to get my dart measurement. So my nipple to nipple divided by 2, which is 4. I'll draw a straight line down to my full length. So I added extra 4 inches from my full length. That will be to get that V effect at the down part of the coat. So next is to label all my lines, my bust, my waist, and my full length. So once I'm done with that, I'll be getting my dart allowance, which is half inch on the both side, and I'll connect it down. So from the bust point, I'll be coming down by half an inch, and I'll connect it like so. So once I'm done with all my darts, I'll get my bust measurement divided by 4 to get my armhole measurement. Sorry, armhole curve. So this is my armhole that I just did. So I'll be using a shoulder dart. I don't want to use the armhole dart, so I'll be using a shoulder. You can do shoulder or armhole with for your coat, but I'm using a shoulder dart. So I'll divide my shoulder by 2 and I'll connect it to the bust point. So once I'm done with that, I will take all my body measurements. My bust divided by 4 plus 1 inch allowance, my waist divided by 4 plus 1 inch for that and 1 inch for seam allowance. Same thing with my full length divided by 4 plus 1 inch for that and 1 inch for seam allowance, and I'll connect all those points together. So here I am done with connecting all those lines. Next is to connect all those my bust, waist, and full length to meet the button allowance that I did. Remember I said I added extra 4 inch or 4.5 depending on how wide you want your arm to be. So yes, I'll be taking my button allowance inside just to get that V effect like this. Yes, so I'll be connecting from there to my waist line or my full length, my where my I want my jacket or my coat to stop. Then once I'm done with that, I'll be getting my neck allowance. You know, it's a V neck, so I'll be going up by 1 inch from my bust point. Then I'll connect it to the neckline. So once I'm done with that, please don't mind the other lines there. Once I'm done with that, next is to cut everything out. So I'm done with the front part. You can see everything is coming out very good. I'll just level this zip. So I'll be using the front to cut out the back. So cutting in the back, I'll fold in that my button allowance in, because the back doesn't have a button allowance. So I'll measure all those points that I have: my waist, my bust, my full length, everything. And also the back won't have that extra 4 inches on the down part, is only in the front. So just pay attention, you understand better. And the back also, the armhole, I will not go in by half inch. I will just curve it without adding that extra half inch. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So next thing too is to connect all those lines, that my bust, waist, full length. Please don't mind any other line that you're saying there, please. I'm just making use of the pattern paper that is available for me right now. So next is to get my neckline, which is 3 by 2 or 1.5, and I'll connect it like this. Then I'll get my shoulder divided by 2, come down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. Then I'll get my armhole measurement, which I've already done. Then I'll connect all those things. Remember I said that I'll not be adding I'll not be subtracting any 4 inch, any half inch from my armhole. So next is to get my dart intakes, 4 inch, and I'll connect it like so. Then I'll be going out by half inch on the both side. I'll connect it, sorry, down to the full length. So remember at the front we went down by half inch, but we're not doing like that at the back. We'll bring it up to where the bust point is. So once I'm done with that, I'll get my shoulder divided by 2 and connect it to my bust point. Just follow my step and you'll understand better. So once I'm done with that, I'll start taking all my body measurements. First is my armhole curve, like so. My bust divided by 4 plus 1 inch seam allowance. My waist divided by 4 plus 1 inch for that, 1 inch for seam allowance. Same thing with the full length. Once I'm done with that, I'll connect all those points together. So here I am done connecting all those points together. There's not much work at the back. So just to remove that bulge at the back, I will be removing half inch on the back like so, and connect it down to the full length and up to the bust points. Then I'll cut everything out. So here I am done. This is the back. I'll just label it the back, and this is the front. I'll just use it and cut out on my fabric. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate all your support and everything that you guys have been doing. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.